Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to change your Facebook page profile URL easily in 2025. Go to your browser and log in your Facebook account. I already log in my Facebook account. Click the Facebook profile icon to choose your page profile you want to change the URL. Click the Facebook profile icon on the left of the site. Then click Settings. Now click Page Setup. Go to Name option, click View. Click Edit Username option. Now type your desired name here. Click Saves Changes. See Facebook page profile URL now changed. That's it. Enjoy. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed the video, please like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and share my videos with your friends. Thank you.